34th, guys, 34th.
Oh, I see them, I see them.
What
Not
about-
Sammy's them. Just follow the road up. They're on the road in front of you.
Voice manoeuvre.
Aye. Do you see it, man?
I'm going.
Yeah. You killed him as well?
Aye. Yeah.
Fuck. Those are bodies.
I know.
You won't get one much with fucking... Much with I.
What did you ram them into?
Josh, your fucking bodies are way up here. Somewhere.
Don't know
I
what any
don't know where the fuck your body
Oh,
went.
over here. Over here.
Did you take the info? Aye. You got the info, right? More.
I know. I don't know what that thing's doing.
Oof. Yeah, the council will be going for that. They know what you
That's
said.
what we're going for. Alright.
Aye, they're at it. See them? Wait to stop. Aye.
Two of them over there. Aye.
More.
Vehicle to our right.
And I just knocked them, can't I think, yeah?
I know.
Oh, I killed somebody through that. Over that there.
Oh, mate, I hit him again. Second one.
Get that tree.
I know, I'm shooting him. Don't know how I can get it any more accurate on him.
I tagged him again, man.
Cross over the road, Chins. Aye.
What, bounced in the motor maybe, Darryl?
Yes, sound. I'm gonna pop up this house, see if I can get a drop on him from behind.
You got the kill cam at the end. In fact, I don't know if you will see it. You can make sure you